Don't try to understand, just love. You know that advice that the love gurus give, don't try to understand women, just love them? Well, it's not about memorizing and repeating it like a robot, it's about feeling it. The truth is, if you want to be unforgettable to her, understanding every detail of her mind isn't enough. You need something more. And that's where a few tricks come in, and I, your best friend for life, am ready to share them with you now. Make every moment count. Ever heard of that girl who breaks up with a guy but ends up coming back even after everything went to chaos? Yeah, I've been that girl. And you know why? Because of the amazing memories that guy left behind. Those stick with you. So, if you're thinking, oh, she already likes me, I'm good, or I don't need to do anything else to keep this going, you're totally wrong, my friend. No matter how much she loves you now, you can, and should, do more to leave your mark on her heart. And how do you do that? By turning every moment with her into something special. I'm talking everything, from a dinner at home, a movie night, to the more intimate moments. Make it worth it. That's what stays with her, that's what she'll never forget. Show her you're on her side, always. The truth is, every woman wants to feel safe and supported, like I can count on him for anything. And you know what makes a difference? Being the guy who's there when she needs it most. If she's facing something tough, don't leave her alone. Show her you're with her to solve it together. If she's thinking about making a big move, like changing careers or taking a risk, encourage her. Tell her, go for it, I've got your back. And if she makes a mistake, don't be the one pointing fingers or judging. Hold her hand and show her you're still there, even when things don't go as planned. This, my friend, is what builds trust. This is what makes her look at you and think, that's the guy I want by my side for the rest of my life. Give presents with emotion, not just because you have to. You know women love getting gifts, right? But if you really want to make an impact, don't just buy anything to say you remembered. The secret is in the details, man. For example, instead of just giving flowers, say something like, I saw these flowers and thought of your smile, I couldn't resist. Or if it's chocolate, say something like, I thought you might need some extra energy for our next fun night. The key is to create a story behind the gift, a reason that makes her feel like it was specially thought for her. It could be something simple, but when it's loaded with emotion or a joke, it turns into much more than just a gift. It's a memory. And that, my friend, no one forgets. Listening for real is golden, man. I'll be straightforward, women love to talk, but what they really love is being listened to for real. It's no good just nodding and saying, aha, because they'll notice, trust me. When she starts telling you something, pay attention. No phone in your hand, no thinking about the game. Ask questions like, really? What happened next? Or how did that make you feel? That shows you're actually listening and not just hearing for the sake of it. When you listen with interest, it creates a connection that's different from anything else. And I'll tell you this, that's when she realizes you're the guy. The one who listens for real is never forgotten. Let's create stories to tell, my friend. Here's the golden tip. If you want her to remember you with a smile, do cool things together. And it doesn't need to cost a fortune. It can be something simple, like cooking together, even if you burn everything and end up ordering pizza, or going to explore a new place you've never been. Oh, and how about some adventures? A trip, even if it's to a small town nearby, or something fun like karaoke, it'll all turn into a story to remember later. The more unique moments you create, the more special you'll be to her. In the end, the secret is this, laugh together. Because, let me tell you, nothing sticks in the memory like the good times you've shared. So, let's plan something fun, and you'll easily win her heart. Focus on being the best guy for you and for her. Man, here's the real deal, you don't have to change for anyone, but investing in yourself is the best move you can make. Learn something new, challenge yourself, get better at work, find a hobby that excites you. When you grow as a person, you become more confident, more interesting, and trust me, she'll notice. Women like a guy who has ambition, who's always evolving. And it's not just to impress her, it's so you can look in the mirror and think, wow, I'm killing it. So, let's invest in yourself, because the more you value yourself, the more she'll value you. Growing together is what strengthens any relationship, but it all starts with you. Give her the support to grow, man. Look, you want to be the guy she remembers and thinks, wow, he made me believe I could do anything. So support her dreams for real. If she wants to try something new, be the first to say, "Go for it, I've got your back." Help her get organized, give her a little push when she feels insecure, and most importantly, celebrate every victory like it's yours too. You know what happens when you're the partner who helps her grow? She'll never forget that. She'll see you as someone who's really by her side, no matter what happens. And man, nothing is more attractive than that. Compliment her like a pro, my friend. Okay, everyone likes hearing "you're beautiful," but let me tell you, that's basic. If you want to make her melt, compliment her in a way that shows you notice things that no one else does. For example, "Your smile is so contagious, it's like magic," or "I love how focused you get when you're doing what you love, it's inspiring." These details show that you're really tuned into her, and that makes all the difference. Creative compliments aren't just words, they're a big way to show her she's special to you. And trust me, she'll remember that for a long time. Be genuinely kind, brother. Look, let me tell you something that many people don't understand, but it makes all the difference. No woman will ever forget a man who treats her well for real, without any hidden agenda. And the secret is, it's not just about her. It's about how you treat everyone around you. The way you treat people says a lot about who you really are. If you're the kind of person who respects others, who's attentive to them, you'll be noticed in a way that will impress everyone, including her. Imagine this: you're at a restaurant, treating the waiter with respect, greeting the doorman, and thanking the cashier with sincerity. When she sees this, she'll think, "Wow, this guy is different." Because women like to see genuine actions, respect, and empathy. It shows you're a person with character, not doing things out of interest, but because you really care about others. And believe me, that's what's going to make her admire you deeply. Admiration, my friend, is worth more than any gift or pretty words. When you have the respect of others, when you treat everyone with kindness and sincerity, you build something that goes beyond appearance, something that goes beyond superficiality. This is what will win her heart for real. She'll look at you and think, "This is the type of man I admire and want by my side." That's the difference, brother, and that's what creates a solid foundation for any relationship. So, be that guy who treats everyone with kindness and respect. What you do for others, especially when no one's watching, says a lot about who you are. And if you really want to be unforgettable to her, this kind of attitude will mark her heart in a way that words alone will never do. If you follow these tips, she'll never forget you. Now, the ball's in your court, my friend. It all depends on how you use these ideas I've shared with you. If you're smart and put them into practice, you can be sure she'll remember you for a long time. Good luck, you're going to rock this. If you follow these tips, I promise she'll never forget you. The secret is in the details, the special moments, and the actions you take to show you truly care. It's not just about doing the basics, it's about going beyond, showing you're present, that you understand, and making her feel unique. Every gesture you make to make the relationship more memorable will leave a deep mark on her heart, and that will ensure she'll keep you in her memory for a long time. Now, the decision to use these tips is entirely up to you. Remember, you're the one who has the power to make a difference and show just how amazing you can be. So take this chance to be the guy she'll remember with fondness and even tell stories about to her friends. If you put these ideas into practice, you'll be a success. And of course, if you like these tips and think they can help someone, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and share with your friends. After all, everyone deserves to know the real secrets to winning hearts, right? Good luck, my friend, you're going to rock it.